Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters located Junction City, Oregon. My name's Gary.Christiance, but you all know me by the van guy. You call in, just ask for the van guy. I'll hook up with you. I can answer all your questions. And the big deal today is we have a 2019 Winnebago Travato 59K. Very, very fortunate that we've got inventory coming in. Its van sales have been unbelievable, and so far Winnebago is keeping this in stock. Let's take a look at this 59K. Now this is your grab handle. Pull here means pull here. So you've got a nice screen, but you do not want to use this as a grab bar. We're going to start in the back. So this is about the only thing I can think of that's got a rear bathroom. It's a little bit more spacious, and I always start down here. That way I can open up these drawers and show you how much storage you've got in this. Pretty impressive. Wardrobe, of course, without all the owner's information in there, and the water purifier and the screens and stuff, that would be all nice hanging space. This does have a safety latch. If you're in here, you don't have to worry about somebody opening the door up. It does have snaps up above all the way around for your shower curtain, so if you are taking a shower you don't get everything wet. They put a nice little wood piece in here to keep your feet up off the floor. Your sliders this way meet in the middle, and I'll show you the medicine cabinet. Take a look in here. It's got a nice little medicine cabinet, and then right below that we have the sink, the disappearing sink. Just drains right in there, and when you're not using it, it's up out of the way. You got a little sprayer here to clean up. The hole down there below is for the Truma heating system, and got a towel bar here. Let's move up front. So you have your solar charger here, energy management system, solar panel, Truma system, heater for your tanks, propane on and off here. This is a sensor for your temperature, and USB ports on both sides. Here's your light. You got blue for nighttime and white for reading time. So this headrest comes up. Slide this over a bit. Whoops. Headrest down. So this has the new updated screens for privacy. You notice that the windows are the insulated plastic ones. They're double layered. You can unlock these like this. Pop your window open for ventilation, and nice and easy to close back up. And privacy. See, you can have privacy by just lifting these up just part way around the unit, cut down the glare, and yet let you be able to watch outside. That's an update for 2019. We have a little cubby compartment over here for at night. We do have 2 seat belts over here. USB port as well. 110 outlet is right down here at the end of the counter. Underneath the passenger side, somebody pulled that off thinking it was a storage compartment. It's an access panel. You have your cushions that you can put behind you. They also fill this space in here with the tabletop to fill it in. Most people, just leave it as twin beds. You can get up and go to the restroom or move around. You don't have to crawl all the way out. Table legs are right here. This is another support for the table. It's all inside, easy to get to. And when you look underneath, here's their mattress system. It's very comfortable. It's a very nice sleep. TV pulls out for viewing, and it goes all the way outside. So if you wanted to watch something outside, and put your awning out to cut the glare down. Kitchen, single lever faucet, nice big sink. And they've got the tray and everything down below for washing your dishes. Compressor refrigerator. Compressor is, you don't have to make sure it's totally level. It's a very nice feature and everybody's going to it. So down below here we have a convection microwave. So you can bake, and you do have a drawer down below. Secret compartment here that they added a lock to. Another vent here for your heating system. And this does have a very large storage capacity. If you'll just take quick note. Lots of storage. Now remember, we got the drawers and the closet in the back, right? So both seats turn around. The lever is located right here. Now this is for a recline. So if I push this, this comes forward. If I pull this one, it will rotate the seat. Same thing on the driver's side. This turns all the way around. Tabletop for the driver's here. Tabletop for your passenger right here. If you have a big party, I showed you the big table in the back. Bluetooth, air conditioning, 5-speed automatic. It does have a manual mode, so you can actually lock it into a gear if you so desire, like you're going down a steep hill and you don't want to ride your brakes. I'll talk about some mirrors and stuff as we go around on the outside. Overhead storage is where we have some of your privacy curtains and mats, but that's a good storage area. Electric awning. Hit the battery disconnect switch. Shuts off the coach battery so it doesn't drain. 19, they came out with full-length running board. That way the driver and passenger doors do have a running board to help you assist. There's no power step going in and out. You don't have to worry about it gumming up and not working. And these work a lot better. LED lights are outside, 2 outdoor speakers. Outlet here, 110 12 volts and power. Bike rack, great bike rack. It'll hold 2 bikes. This is the rear of the unit. Have an outlet, 12-volt outlet, water pump switch, because it does have a port here for the sprayer hose, so you can utilize that. And that's your jack and also your power cord. Nice access to the rear. Trailer hitch, wiring. The tow's about 3,500 pounds. Backup camera is up above. Now this ladder does come off and move over here on the side. That way you can get to your luggage rack where you can put a big storage pod up on top, kayak rack, canoe rack. This is very multi-purpose. Already has solar panel installed. That's the exhaust for your gasoline 2,800 watt generator. Your dump station's right here, easy to get to. Black water flush. You just got to make sure that when you hook a hose up and turn it on, that you have the black opened up. Otherwise it will fill your tank up, fill your toilet up, and then work on filling up your bathroom. Not a pretty day. Truma heating, as I mentioned, it's gas and electric that runs your heat and your water. Exhaust here is very cool. It's not going to burn you like on some other units. Tank fills here. City water, if you're parked someplace, you hook your hose up. Sewer hose goes in here. Propane's down below. It's real easy to get to. You pull in, and it's got an on-off valve right there, easy to get. 110 hookup. Cable hookup. Your driver's step, and of course your door for your fuel. It takes regular gasoline. I said mirrors. Let's talk about mirrors. So this has got the old convex mirror down below, so you can see stuff down here. In the old days, you had to manually roll your windows down and move them. This one has a control right here. So this is for the left side upper, that's for the left side lower. So you can control all 4 mirrors with this knob. If you get crazy, you can push this button when the engine started, and the mirrors will fold in. So if you're in a tight spot, you don't have to worry about somebody snagging your mirror. It's a very nice feature. Plenty of storage for water bottles in your door. There's 2 up there. There's more on that side. And it's a great traveler. I drove one of these over to Bend during the snow, 15 miles per gallon. Freeways, it's front wheel drive, so it handles wonderful in snowy conditions. Now I went through this pretty quick, and I know you got some questions. And at the start of this I said, when you call in, just ask for the van guy. Or you can call me direct at 541-554-9581. Appreciate your interest and look forward to working with you. Thank you.